Hi, today I'm going to show you how to download videos from an Amazon listing without a Chrome extension, without downloading any software, directly from the videos themselves. So here's a listing, and you can't go to the videos from this window here. It's not going to work, unfortunately. What we can do is directly from here. So let's see, you clicked on just this one video. Do right click, go to inspect. Now you're going to look for something that says MP4. I tried control F. It's not quite working on this, but if you can see right here, it's a link that ends in MP4. Some transcoding artifact and all that jargon. This doesn't allow me to copy it, right? You get all this, whatever. So I don't know. I just clicked edit as HTML. I don't edit anything. I don't want to do that, but I just want to, um, copy paste this MP4 link without the quotes. All right. So just copy like this. You can just X out of it from there. Go to a new tab, put that in. Voila, here it is, right? You click on these three dots right here, download. It's as simple as that. Okay. Now, unfortunately, so you can do it from there. The other way is, let's just say you want one of these other videos, and they don't populate up here. Well, you can scroll down all the way down to this videos for this product, and you can do it here. So let's check this one. Click inspect. Same thing. Look for the MP4. I know it's somewhere here. It might take a little bit to find it, but it usually is here. It sometimes takes a little bit of time to find that link. If I don't find it soon, okay. So it's in this little thing here. It's like kind of double input in there, but trust me, it works from here and then to MP4. You copy and paste that. I'll just do it just to show you, just so that it actually works. MP4. Copy that. Paste in here. Done. Boom. Right? Download. All right. And you can even do it on the reviews. Same thing. This is a review page. You can just do inspect and do that. So that's how you easily do it. If you found this helpful, would love for you guys to just click on the link in the description for this product. Just go to it. If you like, you can buy it. You don't have to, but just would love you to click on it. All right. Thank you.